Understanding engine hoist, a tool in focus. Hello, and welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term engine hoist. If you're fascinated by mechanical tools or enjoy learning specialized vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's dive into what an engine hoist is and how it's used. An engine hoist is a tool used by mechanics to remove or install an engine in a vehicle. It is a type of crane that allows for the lifting and maneuvering of heavy objects, particularly car engines, which can be quite hefty. Understanding an engine hoist means getting familiar with its parts. It usually consists of a frame, lifting arm, hydraulic cylinder, hooks, and chains. Each part plays a crucial role in safely lifting engines out of or into the vehicle's body. Operating an engine hoist requires a process that ensures safety and efficiency. The engine is attached to the hoist with chains, and the hydraulic cylinder is used to lift the engine. This process involves careful planning and precision to avoid any accidents or damage. Not all engine hoists are created equal. There are several types, including hydraulic, electric, and manual engine hoists, each with its advantages depending on the situation and the weight of the engine to be lifted. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what an engine hoist is and its importance in automotive work. Remember, whether you're in the garage or learning new terms, safety and knowledge go hand in hand. See you in our next video, and happy learning!